Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Badoo account. So if you'd been using Badoo for a certain while but no longer seen the need to it because you've either found someone or because you don't want to be searching for a relationship anymore, or you don't want to be dating anymore, or for any other specific reasons you'd like to permanently shut off your account, this is what you need to do. For this, first of all, head over to your Badoo app, and as you open up the app, you may land on an interface that pretty much will look along the lines of your chat section or even the section where you will be able to see different people. But in order to delete your account, you'll have to go to the bottom right corner, which shows a profile icon. So go to your profile. As you go to your profile, you can see that on the top left corner, there's a settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and then go to account. As you go to account, you'll be able to see different options like hide account or sign out or forgot password. And also in the very end, you'll be able to see an option that says delete account. Please remember that you'll only be able to see the delete account option if you have verified your account with your email address once when you were signing up to your account. An email link will be sent to your own email address, and when you press that link, your account will get verified, and only then will you be able to see this option here. So tap on delete account. After doing that, it's going to ask you if you're sure of your account deletion. If you just like to hide for a while or start over, you can also select amongst the different options that are available here. But if you're 100% sure that you want to delete your account, select the last option that says delete your account and then tap on continue. After doing that, you can again try to change your mind by providing you with different options. But then if you're 100% sure of deletion, tap on no delete my account. And then you can let them know the reason behind your leaving. So just select a random reason or give in a specific reason and then tap on delete account. After doing that, you'll eventually get logged out of your account and your account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Badoo account. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been of help to you. If you deleted your own account by watching this video, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also please hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around in the next time.